Your brain has been hijacked. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just running an outdated program. And for the next 21 days, we're going to delete it and install the mindset of someone who can't be stopped. This video is not for the weak. It's for the ones who've had enough. I used to wake up tired, scroll for 2 hours, feel guilty, and call it a bad day. Then repeat over and over. It wasn't that I didn't want to succeed. I just didn't know how to stop being distracted, overwhelmed, and stuck. But something switched when I realized this. Your habits are hacking your brain. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. And in 21 days, I rewired mine. Now I'll show you how. This isn't about morning routines and aesthetic planners. This is war on your current self. Because right now, you're addicted to dopamine, to comfort, to scrolling. You want to succeed? You need to unlearn who you are. So I built a 21-day mental detox. Each week, a new battlefield, a new weapon, a new version of you. Let's begin. Week 1 is chaos. Good. Let it burn. Delete TikTok, Reels, Shorts. Don't limit them. Delete. Block. Grayscale your phone, your brain's a junkie. Cut the supply, wake up. No phone, cold shower. Stretch. 10 push-ups. Then journal 3 lines. What will I conquer today? What's my number one focus? What lie will I stop believing? Clean your room like your life depends on it. Because it kind of does. Your environment is stronger than your motivation. Want to change your mind? Start with your surroundings. I remember on day 3, I almost reinstalled Instagram. My hand literally hovered over the App Store. Why? Because my brain was begging for a hit. But instead, I picked up a book and read 10 pages. I felt stupid and powerful. Do the opposite of what your brain wants. Now that your brain's clearing out, it's time to install. Lock in on one goal, not 5. Choose one mountain. School, business, body. Make it your obsession. Create triggers. After breakfast, deep work. After workout, study. Before bed, reflect. Same order, same system. Every day. Draw 21 boxes. Tick off every win. Workout, focus, detox. Your brain doesn't trust dreams. It trusts data. Everyone talks about motivation, but no one tells you this. You won't feel like it. That's not a bug. That's the point. Discipline is a skill, not a mood. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start moving. This is where the old you dies, and the new one takes over. Learn a high-income skill. Copywriting, coding, video editing, public speaking. Pick one. Study 1 hour a day. Practice. Apply. Build something. Freelance. Start a YouTube channel. Make a Notion template. Make your brain earn its dopamine. Say this every morning. I'm not who I was. I finish what I start. Say it until it's true. You want the truth? Success isn't for the smartest, or the richest, or the lucky. It's for the obsessed. The one who trains when they're tired. The one who says no when everyone else says yes. The one who rewires their brain in silence and comes back unrecognizable. You're not here to be average. You're here to break cycles. You're here to be the blueprint. Stop playing small. Go to war with your weakness. Win. Then teach others how. I dare you comment I'm in if you're starting this 21-day rewire. Like this video so the algorithm forces someone else to wake up. Subscribe if you're done being normal, but most importantly, start today.